Welcome to my kitchen, everyone. Today we're going to work with refreshing summer vegetable, cucumber, and red onion, yogurt, apple cider vinegar, some fresh dill seed, garlic, and sea salt. And with that we're going to make a refreshing 2 samples of cucumber salad, 2 varieties of that, and a great Greek or Turkish salad called tzatziki. So let's get going and I'll show you how to do all those. So we're going to start by preparing our cucumber for our salads. And I want to show you a couple unique ways to prepare cucumber. This is a great food because it helps with hydration. It's so full of water. That's a great summer food. It is full of antioxidants, vitamin A and C, and minerals, calcium and potassium. So overall, just really great food. So being abundantly juicy like a cucumber is, that's one of the reasons it's so perfect for adding into your diet into the summer. So of course, one of the methods of cooking and it's preparing the cucumber is just straight up peeling the skin. There's nothing fancy about that. Everyone has done that, right? Then the Japanese have a particular technique to take cucumber preparation even one step further. Okay, so we've cut the cucumber just in half, and we are going to take the seeds from this cucumber. See how juicy that is? And I'm even going to use these organic cucumber skins in a variation of that herb water we made the very first week we were together. So I've got lemon slices in here, I've got some mint, and I'm going to add that cucumber skin. It'll be a very refreshing drink. So the rest of this we'll put in compost. After we've split this cucumber in 2 and taken the seeds out, this method is very beautiful for salad making. We're going to just simply slice this cucumber into these beautiful crescent moon shapes. And the Japanese do use a variation of a cucumber salad that's served along as a side dish in their meals. They do use rice wine vinegar. Now today with our salad we're going to make ours with apple cider vinegar. So for right now, I'm going to put these cucumber slices in, and we're going to use the Japanese method of what's called making a quick pickle. And of course, that's what the idea of many of the fruits and vegetables of summer can be made into things that you can eat both right at the time for your meal and then put in the refrigerator and kept as what is called a quick pickle. So that's that method. Then another method I'd like to use, and just show you a variety of methods here, is I like to score the skin of the cucumber with a fork. Bit. And then these slices become quite attractive for your salad. They're a little thicker pickle, of course, but they are very pretty. Now, these cucumber slices, of course, once they are with the salt for a little while, will become softer and softer. And that's why they also like to call them quick pickles. And again, need a little salt for those cucumbers too. And what we'll do in both of these salads is just use the apple cider vinegar that you got in your kit, and when you add the vinegar to the sea salt, that makes a brine, and that's going to enhance the salad and preserve the cucumber slices, and of course makes them taste very delicious. So just make sure the salt touches all the cucumber slices and the vinegar gets mixed around. Now later these can, as I said, go into the refrigerator. What you don't eat today can be kept in the refrigerator and used as a great pickle for, oh gosh, probably even up to a week. And then we'll add our purple onion to those salads, and we will be on our way to another great summer side dish. So I'm going to take the the green part of the onion off, and then we're going to just slice straight down into as thin a slice as we can, and it just makes it real pretty. These are in the same crescent moon shape. You can see how pretty that will look with those cucumber slices. For the second salad, let's just cut this onion into a full circle, and that'll match nicely with the nice rounds of our cucumber. Peel that papery skin off, of course, let you do, and we'll just take this onion and slice it into some beautiful rounds, full slices, and push those apart, and that shape will look great with our other slices of cucumber. Now mix the vinegar and your salt thoroughly into the onions and cucumbers, and you can refrigerate this, you know, for a couple hours before you're ready to eat. You could eat it right as it is right now, ready to eat, or as I say, put it in a mason jar and put it in the fridge. Finally, we'll add some seasoning to each of our salads, and that is a variety of things depending on what you have in your house, and how you'd like to flavor these. But we're going to use the traditional dill in our version here with our full slices. You could use dried dill seed. This is fresh, straight from the field there at KC Farm School. But these will mature, you know, once that dill has flowered out like this. This is what the flower is more dill coming. You could save those seeds as they've gotten a little more mature and dry on the plant, leave them there, and then harvest those, and you'd have seeds for your next year's garden. But dill we'll put on this one, and we'll put a little black pepper on that. You could use any fresh herb really on these. You could use parsley. Tomato would be nice to add to this type of salad. For this Japanese salad, if you're using the rice vinegar, you could use soy sauce, you could use ginger. Used in Greek and Turkish cuisine, tzatziki is a beautiful cucumber sauce made with yogurt and the addition of garlic and some other spices. You could also add lemon if you care to. So we're going to go ahead and get started on how to make that at home. So first we're going to go ahead and smash our garlic. Now, if you were smashing a whole lot of garlic at once, of course you could use your food processor or a blender, but most of us probably don't use that much garlic. So to do one clove of garlic, or 2 or 3. I'm going to show you how to smash it right on your cutting board. So again, you're going to use your salt because that's going to help break down the fibers in the garlic. And then you're going to push the garlic against the cutting board. And that salt's going to get ground into the each piece of the garlic, and it will soon become a paste that helps break down the cellulose fibers in the garlic. So if you don't have a fancy way to mash up garlic, I've just showed you a really easy home kitchen version of how to smash garlic. Remember that we were talking about how full of water the cucumber is, and of course that's one of the reasons it helps keep you so hydrated. But I'm going to show you a method to keep your tzatziki from getting too waterlogged, because if you would add all of your ingredients that go into your salad into that sauce all at once, and the raw cucumber will lose its water and make your sauce very watery. So this is a method of taking care of some of that liquid inside of the cucumber. I don't know if you can see how juicy this paper towel is. So I salted the chopped cucumber and placed it on paper towel, of course, and then I put another plate on top of that to press out that liquid of the cucumber. So that top paper towel that I took off the cucumber, is holding lots of liquid of that cucumber. So you can see this is a great way to keep your sauces and salads made with cucumber. Zucchini maybe too, a few other watery vegetables could also be handled this way. Now these are very dry. Let's finish making the tzatziki. We're adding the yogurt and the 1 clove of smashed garlic. Let's spread that out into the yogurt a little bit. The salt will also help disperse the garlic throughout. And let's use about a teaspoon of salt. We can always add more. That's one of the things about seasoning your food, and particularly with salt. You can always taste it later, and then if you need to add a little more, you certainly can. So now we're gonna just mix and incorporate all those great ingredients. So in the Turkish and Greek cuisine, this is a great side dish. It's used to accompany meat dishes. It's used as a sauce, or it could even be diluted more and made into a salad dressing. So I hope you all enjoy making some of the cucumber salads. We have this Greek-inspired tzatziki salad, of course. We have the Japanese-inspired quick pickle cucumber salad. And this is kind of the American version we all grew up on, a cucumber onion salad during the summer, I'm sure. So utilize that great, refreshing, hydrating cucumber in many, many ways, and travel the world right here from your own kitchens. So have fun this week. We'll see you next.